Alright, today what we're going to do is we're going to put on the KLR Rally Dash kit and also a zero gravity windscreen. The brackets are labeled which side, upper and lower, that they go on. Here's the dash itself. Here's the lower part of the windscreen that the windscreen mounts on. And the only thing that you need to do is keep the old can't remember what they're called, from your old windshields. You just pop those out and pop them into your new windshield. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you got to take out the old windshield, taking out these 4 bolts here. Remove the old windshield. Slides right out of there. Then we pop these out of the old windshield. We're going to install those into the new one. You want to inspect them to make sure they're not worn out and cracked. This one's got a little wear, but it'll still work. Set those aside. Put that over there. All right. Then take this piece here, and this is just going to slide in. Line it up with these bottom holes, just like that. Should fit right into place nicely. And I believe these ones use the longer screws that are supplied with the kit itself. And then the next step is we're going to install the longer provided bolts and the lower, there's a lower clutch side and a lower brake side. So this is the brake side. I believe they go on just like this, and using the longer bolts, we're going to just put them in there finger tight. We're going to just snug them a little bit so they don't fall out and hold everything together, and we'll tighten everything up after. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pre-assemble all of the dash plate itself. And so it's going to go bolt washer, bolt washer through the plate, washer, and spacer. Now we got to remove the pre-existing bolts that are in the dash itself. T-handle wrench. Then we're going to take the pre-assembled dash and we're just going to slide it right into these ones here. Now we're going to install the upper dash bolts. Okay, it's nice and sturdy. Next, we're going to install the upper bracket, the brake side. Start out by putting a bolt through this lower part here. Finger tightening on this locking nut. And then there's 3 settings, and we're gonna just start it out at the high one because I do kind of like the look of it up high, but I do have a tall windscreen, so I may change that. That's easy enough to do. Remove this super sweet sticker. Okay, those are all snugged on there. Now it is a matter of putting on the windshield. We gotta insert the old well nuts onto the new windshield. Alright, so after some struggle getting the original KLR well nuts out of the old windshield and putting them in, wasn't hard to get them out, but putting them in the new one was a little rough. But then what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to bring it behind these plates here. Let me get my original factory ones with washers. And these plates, you will have to do a little flexing to make sure to get the holes to line up. So we're just going to get one side started. And there it is. That's what the zero gravity tall windshield with the KLR Rally Dash kit looks like. I think I really like it. You can see that's the more straight up and down look. I do like that look. I'm curious to see how it holds up against the wind. I'm sure it'll be good. All right, thank you.